Okay, do I have to break you guys apart?
Touch the Airheads Extreme.
Airheads Bites come in 50 bite-sized pieces. Check us out today.
That's delicious!
Airheads Bites, world hit.
Extreme sweetly sour belts dare you to live out loud. Airheads Extremes, amp it up. Now a new bluest raspberry and lemonade rush flavors.
I wouldn't do that. You know what happened last time.
Introducing Airheads Extremes Sweetly Sour Belts with stripes of sweet and stripes of sour. Airheads Extremes Sweetly Sour Belts. They'll blow you away.
It's too dark in here. I need to get out.
Just take a deep breath.
M&M's Mix.
Do we really have to choose him to be our next spokesperson?
Seems like a good fit.
But he's so boring.
I'm yawning just talking about him.
Well, it's our job to change that.
Guys, I think you can hear us.
Sounds like you're on the fence. Why don't I just leave you my resume? Yes, it's laminated.
No thanks.
You're hired.
Caramel has been square for far too long.
Ow?
Try caramel M&M's.
Hello. Oh, you serious? I'll let him know.
Who was it?
It was BET. We're going to the BET Awards. You've been nominated for Smoothest Spokes Candy.
That's great! I've never even been to Los Angeles.
You've never been anywhere.
And you know what's even better?
What?
The 6-hour flight means I can catch up on all my crossword puzzles. Time to pack.
Here goes nothing. I still can't believe you're a BET Awards nominee for Smoothest Spokes Candy. How does it feel?
Great, and believe me, I'm not going to waste my moment in the spotlight. I have studied up on the best A-lister red carpet poses, so I'll look fab in all my photos.
Seriously? No one is taking your picture.
Check it out. Trendy wrist grab. Ooh, hands behind the back.
Interesting. Have you ever been bored to death?
No? Why?
Because you're killing me. This is it. Hey, hello?
Huh? Oh, sorry. Just going over my acceptance speech.
There better be something in there about how you owe all of this to me. Pay attention.
And the winner for Smoothest Spokes Candy is M&M's Caramel.
All right, go up there. Break a leg.
But I like my legs. Wow, this after party is off the chain.
Look, don't ever say off the chain again.
Just look at all these famous people, like moi.
That award for Smoothest Spokes Candy has gone to your head.
Honestly, in this moment, I realize that with this award comes great responsibility. It's on my square shoulders to live a life others can look up to.
Yeah, you're a real role model.
But for now, let's get out on that dance floor and groove.
Now this I gotta see.
Hey, the new M&M's Dulce de Leche Caramel.
Nope.
Not us.
No way.
We'll see about that. Repeat. Chocolate and dulce de leche have combined within me.
Chocolate and dulce de leche have combined within me.
I am rich and creamy.
I am rich and creamy.
It's okay, the doctor tastes me.
Okay, what?
Repeat. If the M&Ms talk, I cannot eat them.
The M&Ms talk, I cannot eat them.
Close call.
New M&M's Dulce de Leche Caramel, an irresistible temptation.
Finally, something trying to eat people for a change. How do you like them apples?
Dinosaurs eat apples?
Something's coming.
That red dot looks just like you.
What are you talking about? That's a T-Rex.
It's not a T-Rex.
See? That's definitely you.
That's not me.
I know it's not really you.
Thank you.
It's your stunt double.
M&M's minis. They're M&M's, just smaller. Isn't that great? Your favorite, just mini. We really have to choose him to be our next spokesperson?
Seems like a good fit.
But he's so boring.
I'm yawning just talking about him.
Well, it's our job to change that.
Guys, I think he can hear us.
Sounds like you're on the fence. Why don't I just leave you my resume? Yes, it's laminated.
No thanks.
You're hired. Caramel has been square for far too long.
First, let's define fun.
Any of numerous saprophytic and parasitic spore-producing organisms that lack chlorophyll and vascular tissue.
That's fungus. For fun, think back to the carefree days of your youth. Not that far back.
These are for winners.
No matter what you do for Master Foods, find ways to infuse your work with fun. For example, slip in funny-sounding words during sales calls.
Our numbers indicate that sales are way up in Lake Titicaca.
Who is it?
Paul Michaels?
What you listen to me, Michael?
Let's get it started. Let's get it started. And don't think fun is limited to what's inside every Master Foods product. Even the wrapper itself can be fun. Wasn't that fun? Ow. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah. Can I watch TV?
No.
Here at Master Foods, you can even have fun with the 10 principles.
Oops.
With the 5 principles. We are fun, but we are not clowns. And this is why. Okay, you're creeping me out. We are in the business of selling fun. We own fun.
Fun is a registered trademark of Master Food Incorporated. No pictures, descriptions, or accounts of fun can be reproduced or distributed in any way without the express written consent of Master Food Incorporated. Trademark infringement is punishable by law.
Yeesh.
That guy talks really fast.
can cure where to fungo if every single day we choose fun.
1, 2, 3, let's